Alright, let's begin our lollipops. Grab a piece of paper, a pencil, and a blue cup. To start, you're going to line your cup up in the top right corner on both the top edge and the right edge. Get it as close as you can while still being able to trace the full circle on the paper. So you can, slide that down. You can see I got that up there real close. Then same on the left side, leave it maybe just a finger by the edge. So, I didn't quite have to get so close to the edge on that one. You can leave about a finger or so. Then you should be able to get one last one in the middle. And then before we go get our paintbrush, let's write our name in between. Okay, I can now go put back my cup and pencil at the middle table and exchange it for a paintbrush. Now I want to zoom out real quick so you can see what we're working with at our tables. We are going to be using these liquid watercolors and a water cup to create kind of this wet on wet painting style where our colors will kind of swirl and mix in to one another. Because our colors are going to be doing a lot of mixing, we want to remember to use similar colors to each other. Think about maybe those warm colors, orange, reds, yellows, those will go good together, and the cool colors, the darker ones, mix well too. But of course, you're the artist. Experiment. Red and purple and blue would go good together just as well as blue, green, and yellow. So have fun creating some different combinations. Now I'm going to come back in so you can see my colors swirl, but I'm just going to try my best to clean my brush in between each of my colors. Now the first thing I'm going to do is grab one of those large brushes from the water cup, and I'm just going to paint over my whole circle. You may have to dip in more than once. Okay? But this is going to create a cool little pool that I'm going to let my colors go on to. Never hurts to give the colors a gentle little swirl when you go to use them. But then I should be able to just touch the circle, and you can kind of see it expands into the water. I want to kind of just touch with the tip of my brush and do a few little dots around. Again, trying to clean my brush in between each color. And when I put my colors next to each other, they'll kind of mix with one another and create these kind of cool little reactions. Let's maybe get a little bit of purple in there too. Now, if you don't see your colors mix in enough to your liking just when you set them on the paper, you could also grab a straw and kind of take some time to blow them around even more. So, have fun. Continue on until you fill up the whole entire circle. But just remember, if you get too many colors in there, it might just turn into a brownish gray. So for me, I'm going to let that one be, and now I'm going to go to my next one. Making sure again to put the water on first. And then washing my brush in between each of those colors. Ooh, look at that. Do this one with more lighter colors. Once when you get all three colored in, then clean your brush one last time and return it to the middle table, and then carefully bring your painting to the drying rack. Afterwards, you can wash your hands and go pick a choice. All right, have fun.